So my name is Amar, and I did my BTech in mechanical, and then I just completed an MBA, and I'm from Ahmedabad. So before I start, I would just like to share a story of how I came across Smile. Uh, when I went for my own surgery, right? So the doctor ने पूछा, मतलब the doctor gave us options. The doctor said कि if अगर आपको चाहिए तो it cost a lot. It costs a lot, right? Surgery is 40-50K or something. So the doctor said कि आपके पास ऑप्शन है कि आप ये ₹0 में भी करवा सकते हैं. Then I was like, मतलब डॉक्टर है तो सच ही बोल रहे होंगे, but still my family was skeptical, right? So then we inquired and then we came across Smile, and that moment always remained with me कि there is an organization जो समझती है कि the pain that we go through and everything that we have to go through just to be normal. So उसके बाद that always stayed with me, and growing up, just describing my childhood journey. So growing up, मेरे childhood एकदम normal ही था, like how to put it, like I had a lot of friends in my building and in my school, like I'm talking about when I was below 12. So the tough part, as in जो difficult scenarios थे, those started after I changed schools. So probably looking back, school बदलना was not a good option for me, and धैर्य, because लोग used to नहीं होते, right? If you grow up with people you already know from childhood, it's different. But when you suddenly come, in contact with people who don't know you, and that too in teenage life, so that was, I think, the biggest challenge for me, like going through a completely new environment, that too in a teenage life, that too with a cleft, right? So looking back, कुछ mistakes थी जो मैंने की in like while growing up, which I just want to point out, so that if, in case possible, वो repeat ना हो through our own friends here. So a lot of things happened in the school, I think. So usually people have a habit of insulting, right? So, but the problem is, how do we react when we are insulted? So I did one of the two things, पहला तो मैं कुछ नहीं बोलता था. I would just sit silently, and endure, right? Hoping कि थोड़े time बाद it will get over. Second thing I did was lash out. I would be like, stop doing this, and in like in an angry way. So both of these approaches were, in hindsight, the wrong way to look at it. So because people would, start turning against you even more if I take one of these two approaches. The एक अच्छा तरीका होता if I would use humor or try to be tactful about it, but I did not do it. At that time it did not strike me, and फिर क्या होता था कि I would realize कि मतलब कुछ ज़्यादा ही, मतलब there is a lot of hatred, like, right? So I would try to isolate myself. Again, I feel that was a mistake looking in hindsight. मतलब isolation कभी आंसर नहीं होता, like कि मैं अकेला ही रहूँ, मैं अकेला ही ठीक हूँ, So और मैं कोई पूछता भी था तो मैं मना कर देता, नहीं मुझे नहीं आना, So वो क्लोज डाउन होने से भी मतलब मेरा फ़ायदा नहीं हो रहा था, सिर्फ नुकसान हो रहा था. So अब इसमें एक प्रॉब्लम क्या आती है, लाइक जो मैंने रियलाइज़ की कि जो टीनेज लाइफ जो होती है वो पर्सनैलिटी डेवलपमेंट के लिए द इट टाइम होता है, बराबर. और उसी टाइम में अगर हम आइसोलेट हो गए लोगों के डर से, तो जो मेरे साथ हुआ वो मतलब वही होता है, आई थिंक, कि तुम मिस आउट कर जाते हो लाइफ के थोड़े चांसेस टू इम्प्रूव ऑन योर सेल्फ, जो कुछ लोगों के साथ होता है, कुछ लोगों के साथ नहीं होता. बट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज़ कि मतलब तुम आइसोलेट खुद को ना कर दो, राइट? और वो थोड़ा मुश्किल है करना, बट आगे जाकर मतलब मैंने जो चीज़ें रियलाइज़ की वो मैं बताऊंगा ज़रूर कि क्या हेल्प कर सकता है इसमें. People's reaction towards me were very different in home and school. So घर पे mom had this approach कि like be friendly with everyone, ignore everyone. Dad had this approach कि fight it out. So I was always confused which one to take. Neither of them is the answer. And some memories of mine were actually, you feel कि सिर्फ बच्चे ही है जो तुम्हारे मतलब ऐसे चिढ़ाएंगे, but I also faced issues with adults. I don't know if anyone else has. Like the principal of my own school did not really grasp this concept of cleft. I think the teachers, everyone understood, but no one really realized what a person is going through. So sometimes you would, sit while covering your face. I don't know if anyone has done this. Like you try to cover your face and you try to, your eyes are always down or something. So the principal would call me out in front of everyone. Why are you sitting like this? Just sit properly and straight. And everyone would turn around and start looking at me. So what I was trying to avoid is happening suddenly all of a sudden. So then, so then I would just, from that point on, I was just used to sit straight, but it was always, tough realizing what to do. So the things that helped me, now coming to the main part, first is music, as Rahul mentioned, and certain things happen. As I mentioned, personality starts to get focused on I have a cleft, कि सब लोग उसी के बारे में सोचेंगे, like that is who I am. वैसा एक mindset बनने लगता है धीरे धीरे. To change it, it's a good idea to have a couple of hobbies, which thoda sa, I think a cleft warrior has to put in a little more effort to identify his own self than others need to. They really need to go dig deep into what they want to do, like what is their passions in life, and start to focus on them to build a different identity for themselves, which separates them from just, cleft. So the things that helped me were music, number one. Playing it also has many mental benefits, right? Second was sports. Playing sports has physical benefits, and of course you get to be a part of a team. So that does not, like directly strike how will people react अगर मैं मतलब ऐसे लोगों के साथ खेलूँगा, they will make fun of me and all. Sometimes even those thoughts comes in group communities. But if you really focus and you become good at what you are doing, then people will actually start to appreciate you and cheer you in whatever you are doing. Because the focus has now shifted. You are now a player, you are no longer a cleft. That is not how people will see you anymore. But वो करने में बहुत ज़्यादा time and dedication लगता है. So like I wish I had started very, very early on, focusing on my passions, what I want to do in life, what I want to do as hobbies, what defines me. So I wish I had started earlier. That was the thing. And finally, coming to, it also helps you connect with people. मतलब groups में खेला जाता है sports, and you also can sing and dance in music. So these two help me connect with people. Of course, different people can have different likings. Like one of my friends likes adventure sports, and he connects with people, just to do it. One of my friends is a writer. He connects with people to write. So it helps, build connections with people also, which we usually find hard to do, right, after a while. And finally, coming to my current position, so during my life, I have worked with a lot of companies. I've worked with Tata, Amazon, ITC, all of them great companies. यहाँ पर क्या हुआ था कि in corporates, usually the meetings get very tense. Now, as a person with cleft, I found it even harder, these tense environments in meetings to, focus, because now you cannot even say something wrong. At first, you just, were not even looking right, and now you cannot even say something right. Okay, so then, I really had to, I would first I want to quit. I was like, that was my attitude. Okay, I don't want to work anymore. But then, of course, you cannot live life there, right, that way. So I really focused on, building a presence, so that people could still respect me. And so, again, it took me a lot of time. So basically, messages in professional life also, if we don't work on the personality and speech issues, it creeps into professional life also. So better again to start early on. So my message is just this: we are much more than our cleft, right? There's 100,000 different things to do in life, but our focus kind of starts channeling and funneling into that one aspect. So if I have to give a message, I think it would be to develop and see what else you are, and I think it would help in the long run, like really help. That is it from my end.